On the nearly deserted streets of Liverpool this afternoon, officers were out talking rather than enforcing the rules on leaving the house.
We're just out really making sure that people understand the need to stay indoors, but you clearly do, don't you?
But there's been criticism that police are acting differently in different places, with one force issuing more than 100 fines. The Chief Constable here has taken a friendlier approach.
It's very much about encouraging our public to do the right things, engaging with them. Education, as has been said, and enforcement is very much the final option for us. We don't want to go out and alienate thousands of people because we're being heavy-handed in relation to this.
But some forces have been criticised. Derbyshire Police has defended this video it published last week, which used a drone to show people visiting the Peak District. A former Supreme Court judge called it disgraceful and says police have to separate government advice from enforceable laws.
They do not prevent people, for example, from driving to beauty spots to take their exercise there. They don't prevent people from buying things that the police might consider to be non-essential foods. They don't prevent all sorts of things that the police in some parts of the country have been trying to prevent.
But there is specific behaviour the police can enforce. They might send or take people back to where they live if they're out for anything other than daily exercise or picking up essential items. They can instruct groups of 3 or more to go home and can fine people who are outside without a valid reason.
I think the police are doing an incredibly good job under very, very difficult circumstances. Most people are, of course, complying completely with this. I think we've got to be careful not to use the odd exception which is being drawn out here to sort of prove a rule.
But police forces are now being urged to be more consistent in how they apply the rules, with many chief constables acknowledging that persuasion is still the most effective way to get people to comply. Ben Chapman, ITV News, Liverpool.